Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best power steering stop leaks on Amazon. If your power steering has ever gone out, you've likely been shocked to discover just how much more difficult it is to maneuver your vehicle in the right direction. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Blue Devil Power Steering Stop Leak. The Blue Devil Power Steering Stop Leak 00232 fluid makes it easy to put an end to leaking power steering fluid. The solution is made up of the company's Pour and Go formula for simple and quick application to get you back on the road faster without the steering wheel tightening up. The liquid fills the spots where leaks are frequent and improves the condition of the power steering fluid and reservoir. The formula also seals rack and pinion systems as well as differentials. A great feature about this power steering stop leak is it can be used on both diesel and gasoline engines. The liquid also works to recondition hardened or worn rubber seals, loosening them and making them more pliable. While it may be quick and simple to pour into the power steering fluid reservoir, it may take a few days until you see results. It's not a pour and wait a few minutes kind of solution. You'll need to drive your car for a few miles to see if the steering wheel continues to lock up or offers more freedom of movement. Number 2. Bars Leaks High Mileage Power. Bars Leaks High Mileage Power Steering Repair, in its 16 ounces bottle, is a revolutionary product designed to address power steering issues in aging vehicles. This product aims to restore and rejuvenate power steering systems, providing a cost-effective alternative to expensive repairs or part replacements. With age, power steering systems often encounter problems such as leaks, noise, and decreased performance. Bars Leaks, a trusted name in automotive repair solutions, has developed the high-mileage power steering repair specifically to tackle these issues in older vehicles. Number 3. Bars Leaks Gray Power Steering Stop Leak. If you're looking for a good high-quality power steering stop leak from Bars Leaks, consider the company's Gray model. While you will only get an 11-ounce bottle, the price is certainly worth it, as is the fluid. This power steering repair is reliable and effective on small leaks and even some larger ones. It stops and seals leaks, restores O-rings, and works with all other types of stop leak fluids. One bottle treats up to 3 quarts of fluid. However, it doesn't work all that quickly. It may take a few applications or a few hours before you see any significant results. You may want to stock up, as the bottle is small and you may end up using a lot. To truly appreciate the effectiveness of Bars Leak 1630 Power Steering Stop Leak, it is essential to understand the intricacies of the power steering system. Power steering is a vital component in modern vehicles, enhancing maneuverability and making steering effortless. However, leaks within the power steering system can lead to steering difficulties, excessive noise, and potential damage to other components. Bars Leak 1630 Power Steering Stop Leak aims to rectify these issues effectively. Simply pour the recommended amount of product into the power steering reservoir and let it circulate through the system. Number 4. Liqui Moly Power Steering Oil Leak Stop. The Liqui Moly Power Steering Oil Leak Stop, in its 1-liter packaging, is a powerful solution designed to address power steering oil leaks in vehicles. This product is specifically formulated by Liqui Moly, a renowned brand in automotive additives, to provide an effective and reliable fix for power steering issues. Power steering oil leaks can be a frustrating problem for vehicle owners, leading to fluid loss, decreased performance, and potential damage to the power steering system. The Liqui Moly 20284 Power Steering Oil Leak Stop offers a simple yet effective solution to combat these issues, ultimately saving time and money on costly repairs. One of the standout features of the Liqui Moly 20284 Power Steering Oil Leak Stop is its advanced formula. Number 5. Bars Leaks Power Steering Repair. Bars Leaks Power Steering Repair is another great brand that makes many things necessary to keep vehicles running smoothly and effectively. The fluid will help restore the performance of your vehicle so you can get back on the road more quickly. It also works to quiet down worn and noisy pumps so you don't get that whining sound when you turn. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.